How to manage high quality video on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage high quality video on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and now click this one, accessibility and display and languages, and now click this one, data usage, and now all you need to do is just click this one, high quality video, and select anything you want. And as you see, high quality video has turned to mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you can change it to never. And as you see, that's how manage high quality video on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.